Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a gaming Discord server like a pro in 2026. So if you want an active gaming community with players, events, voice chats, and engagement, yeah, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, decide your gaming niche. So it can be PUBG, Free Fire, Valorant, Fortnite, or a mixed gaming community. Next, organize your server properly. Add channels like announcements, LFG, or looking for group, chat, clips, and voice channels. So yeah, create multiple voice channels for different games. This helps players team up and communicate easily. Now set up reaction roles so members can choose their favorite games. This automatically organizes your community. So yeah, post gaming news, updates, tips, memes, and clips. This keeps your server active and fun. Next, host events like tournaments, scrims, custom rooms, or voice chat sessions. Events bring members together. So yeah, use leveling bots to reward active players with roles and perks. This encourages more activity. Now promote your server on TikTok, YouTube, Reddit, and gaming forums. Short gameplay clips attract new members. Finally, focus on community culture. So respect, teamwork, and fun make your gaming server long-lasting. And that's how to build a gaming Discord server like a pro in 2026. Once you combine structure, events, and engagement, your gaming community can grow fast and stay active. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more Discord tutorials.